Here's how to split image in Photoshop. From Tool panel, you have to find and select the Slice tool, and then right-click on your photo and click on Divide Slice. Here, make sure to enable this both Divide horizontally and Divide vertically option, and make sure to check Preview option. And here, I'm giving here 2 horizontally and giving 2 vertically, and here we can see this image will split into 4 pieces. Then I'm clicking on OK, and now go to File, hover over on Export and click on Save for Web. Here preset, select JPEG high and select your JPEG high and just click on Save. And in here select a location to save, and you can rename the image. And settings, select your default settings, and slices, make sure to select your all slices and click on Save and go to File Explorer. And here we can see I've successfully split my images into 4 pieces. So that's it for now.